Hey, are you confused about how to file ITR? Don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through the complete process step by step using the official income tax e-filing portal. So let's get started. But before that, let's get to know who should file ITR. Individuals or Hindu United families not having income from business or profession, income from salary, house property, capital gains, foreign income or more than 50 lakh total income. You have to do is go to the official income tax portal, register yourself and then log in. This is the site where you have to register. Later, go to login, enter your PAN, password and the CAPTCHA. Further, you have to go to e-file. Click on income tax return and then file income tax return. Select the current assessment year, select online and then click on continue. Click on start new filing. Further, select the applicable status and click on continue. To know the applicable ITR form, click here and select the applicable ITR form. Proceed with the form. Keep the following documents ready. Form 16, house rent receipts, investment payment, premium receipts. Select your reason for filing ITR and then proceed. Fill in all your personal income details. If the information is pre-filled, then continue. You can also edit your pre-filled information. Select the eligible deductions and then proceed. If you have any liable tax, then you can make payment immediately or later by clicking on Pay Now or Pay Later. Give declaration and click on Proceed to Validation. After validation, click on Proceed to Verification. Select E-Verify and continue. After completing E-Verification, you will receive a success message, transaction ID and acknowledgement letter. Don't download the receipt. That's it. You have successfully filled ITR. Thank you.